Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add transition in Canva video, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add transition in Canva video. When you are in Canva, just select the video. Okay, for example, this one. And here you can increase the size. Okay, and after that click add page and then just select another video. Okay, for example this one. Okay, now to add transition here between first page and second page, you can see here add transition. Just click on it and then you can change the transition you want. You have different style of transition. And yeah, this one, shop, much more, follow. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add transition in Canva video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.